So the macro air fans make it very breathable in the shop, which in turn makes our technicians very productive. So before I did work at another location with no fans. Now coming into this location with the big fans, the air movement, the quality has made everything a lot smoother.
The air in a body shop can get stagnant from time to time. The fans help circulate the air, create a better environment, much cooler, easier to work in, easier to breathe. They're very quiet in operation and they move a lot of air with a small amount of effort.